In this video, we are going to install this 3-channel dashcam provided by Zengest for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. We have your front camera, which records at 1080p with a wide-angle view of 170 degrees. On the other side, we have your 2-inch screen, your adjustable cabin camera, which records at 1080p with a wide-angle view of 120 degrees. It does have 4 IR LEDs. On the side, you have your reset button and your microphone and your SD memory card slot. They do include a 32 gig micro SD card. On the bottom, you have your power button, your forward and backward button, your menu, and your OK button. On top is your USB-C power slot and your rear camera port. This here is where you'll slide your camera mount. Here is your mount. Go ahead and just slide it right in. Your rear camera, which records at 1080p with a wide-angle view of 130 degrees. It has 4 IR LED lights with WDR tech, which provides a balanced exposure in low light conditions. Extra adhesive and a couple of mounting screws, your rear camera cable, your Type-C power adapter, and your user manual. First, we mounted the rear camera. I used the adhesive tape. We're gonna work all the way to the back. And then all your excess, we're gonna go ahead and just tuck it in here. So here's the rear camera cable tucked in under the headliner. I plan on mounting the dash cam somewhere around here. Just remove the adhesive, place it firmly. Perfect. Now that I have the dash cam mounted, we'll take your rear camera cable. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Just like that. Hide the rest of the wiring. Next, we go ahead and plug in your power cable using this AC adapter. For this install, I'm gonna use this power adapter up here. If you're interested in a product like this, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Simply take a USB. We're going to go ahead and plug that in to my power adapter. Then to your camera. Now we go ahead and turn on the vehicle. You turn on the Wi-Fi of the dash cam. Then you open up the app. We're going to hit add camera. Hit OK. Follow instructions. Then we connect to Wi-Fi. Look for action cam. Your default password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect. You should be all set. Go back to your app. And now you're connected to your camera. From here, you can adjust your camera settings by clicking the gear button on the bottom right. You can turn on and off your sound recording, change the resolution of the photos taken from 3 megapixels to 12 megapixels. You can adjust your video resolution, all cameras recording at 1080p. Your loop recording duration, you can have that turned off. Set it to 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute intervals. You can change your light source frequency depending on which country you're in. You can turn on
WDR, your wide dynamic range, which helps visibility. You can change your time format, year, month, day, year, or day, month, and year. You can change your photo exposure from 0 to +6 or -6. You can change your white balance. You can turn on and off motion detection if you installed a hardwire kit. You can turn off your screensaver, have it turn off after 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. This here is your Wi-Fi name. You can change your Wi-Fi password. Shows you which firmware version you have. You can format your micro SD card and reset to factory settings. On the bottom left is where all your files are stored. You can download from here.
If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.